Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. For the EE100 final project, our group decided to choose project number 3, which is called Irrigation Games. The purpose of this project was for us to engineer a software to improve the irrigation techniques in Pakistan. The main objectives for the first lab of this project were as follows.
We were required to use the Warabandi system to distribute irrigation water to each farmer based on a fixed schedule, which required each of the farmers to receive a set amount of irrigation water after every 21 days.
Our first challenge was to incorporate the same technique to all the farmers. We found a solution by running a loop for each farmer which catered for their soil's moisture and yield separately, as you can see in this code over here.
Now, the only problem left for this lab was the distribution of irrigation water using Warabandi. We checked if it was each farmer's turn and if we had any irrigation water left in the channel by using conditional statements for each farmer.
As you can see, after a certain amount of days, which in our case was 21, each farmer received a set amount of water, regardless of whether they needed it or not. As this technique proved to be counterproductive due to a waste of irrigation water and an unnecessary loss of yield for some farmers, we were instructed to improve upon this situation in our second lab.
Okay. Now we had to come up with a fair distribution system for all the farmers, ensuring that they would have optimal yields and maximum profits. To implement this system, we checked after a set time interval if the yield of each farmer was below a certain threshold and this yield was the minimum out of all the other farmers, then that farmer received the irrigation water. This was again done using conditional statements and loop iterations.
Our second task was to implement a system such that each farmer decided the amount of irrigation water for themselves by paying a price to the distributor of irrigation water. The goal of each farmer was to maximize their profit. Our algorithm was based on how each farmer only needs enough water so that they can survive for the next 7 days without relying on rainfall. We did this by checking the moisture levels of each farmer separately and then gave them irrigation water based on their own yield decay and the water interval.
As you can see, after every 7 days, each farmer checks if they need water by observing their own moisture level. If they do need water, then the required amount of water for each farmer is calculated separately. This ensures that their yield is maximized while minimizing the use of water, allowing each farmer to maximize their profit.
Thank you EE100 instructors and teaching assistants for allowing us this opportunity.